We are here in Mozambique for the project Focus Africa. The project addresses one of the main issues, which is food security.
In our country we enjoy the tropical weather conditions, but with the issue of climate change and climate variability, according to World Meteorological Organization, it will increase the frequency of disaster systems. So the impacts are so very high because they affect not only infrastructure but the agriculture sector, health sector, transportation, road.
Então, as mudanças climáticas têm estado a afetar o país porque anualmente temos estado a sofrer por ciclones, por cheias e mesmo por secas. Muitas vezes esses eventos extremos ocorrem simultaneamente em várias partes do país e os produtores são os mais vulneráveis porque baixo uso de tecnologias.
We are seeing that the temperatures in Malawi are increasing. Actually, the historical records are showing that the increase is at about 0.2 degrees in 40 years. It may look small, but the impacts are huge. We are seeing the shifting of the rainfall season.
From the land bank perspective, we have already identified clients who are farming maize that are already experiencing difficulties because the area is becoming far drier than what it used to. So they are experiencing challenges with respect to being able to repay their loans.
We are working together with partners from Mozambique to try and blend our different expertise towards addressing these multidimensional climate change challenges. Climate change is not only, of course, about climate, but it's also about adaptation to climate. In this case study, we are trying to build complementary climate services, not only the capacity to provide improved seasonal forecasts, but also the identification of crop varieties and type of crops which are better suited to specific climates and weathers that we forecast and predict.
Agriculture is rain-fed. So being rain-fed, climate service is very, very important. They need to know when to plant, how long the season will be. Are we going to have dry spells? How bad are they? So which varieties should we plant? We need to understand the climate, the way it's evolving, and be able to tap the potentials that are there to maximize the profits or the work that we are doing, whether it's in agriculture, water resources, hydropower. We need this climate information to make sure that it supports whatever we are doing, and to make sure that we should not be impacted negatively.
One of the challenges that the National Meteorological and Hydrological Services face is ensuring that the information that they produce is delivered and used by those who need it most. In the case of agriculture, these are the farmers, who are sometimes referred to as last mile users. The Focus Africa project is developing tailored climate services in 5 countries in Southern Africa. This includes supporting better forecasting of the onset and duration of the rainfall season, integration of climate into agricultural risk models, and using climate projections to inform variety selection.